So all the paint protection film is now on the Aston and it's looking so good. The pearl in the white paint on the Aston looks incredible. So now while I'm waiting for that to just dry before I wrap any edges, etc., I'm going to move on to the wheels. Now they're in quite bad condition, there's quite a lot of scratches on them, so I'm probably going to give this one a 2-stage polish along with the rest of them, and then we're also going to be cleaning up the calipers, polishing them up and coating them. So yeah, let's get into it.